Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. To soft reset this device, simply press and hold the side button. When this menu appears, tap on the restart option and then tap on it again to confirm. And now wait until the watch is done rebooting. And after a couple of seconds you should see the watch face again. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.